Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to enable or disable Rise to work on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, steps: open the settings app your iPhone and scroll down and tap display and brightness option. Okay, and find the Rise to work option and toggle the switch on and green to enable, off gray to disable. Okay, and available on iPhones with Face ID or Touch ID starting from iPhone 60 seconds later. And let me know if you want to adjust similar settings like tap to work or auto lock. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.